How to link your PlayStation Network to Rockstar Social Club account. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to easily link your PlayStation account to the Social Club's account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is search for Rockstar Games and open the first link that you see. Make sure to log into your Rockstar Games account on the top right corner. As you can see, I have already logged in. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on the profile section, then tap on the account drop down and tap on view my profile. So it will directly take you to your social club's profile right here. And once you get to your profile, you just want to head over to your settings menu. So just tap on account and then settings. Once you land on the settings page, you will see all of your information like your email, nickname, your date of birth, region, and everything else. Head over to the linked accounts section, and here you can link your account to different platforms like Xbox, PlayStation Network, Google, Twitch, Amazon. So just tap on link on PlayStation Network. Now it will take you to this page right here. You'll have to tap on link account, and now you just have to wait for it to load completely. Now you can just enter your PlayStation ID and enter your password, and it will ask for verification on your email. Just continue with that and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys next time.